This report is from today's CNBC Daily Open, our new, international markets newsletter. CNBC Daily Open brings investors up to speed on everything they need to know, no matter where they are. Like what you see, you can subscribe here. Banks kick off earnings. Four of Wall Street's big banks reported earnings Friday. J.P. Morgan Chase kicked things off with lower fourth-quarter profit as it paid a $2.9 billion fee linked to the government's takeover of some regional banks last year. Citigroup reported a $1.8 billion quarterly loss, while also announcing that it would slash 10% of its workforce. Bank of America's fourth-quarter net income fell more than 50% from a year ago, while Wells Fargo reported higher quarterly earnings but warned about lower interest income this year. Positive inflation signal? An unexpected decline in wholesale prices indicated inflation could be declining for good. The Labor Department's Producer Price Index fell 0.1% in December, as opposed to a 0.1% rise seen by economists surveyed by Dow Jones. PPI data measures inflation from the producer or manufacturer's perspective. Markets rose for the week. The blue-chip Dow Jones Industrial Average shed over 100 points on Friday but closed 0.3% higher for the week. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq closed the day nearly flat, while also ending higher for the week. Markets digested the start of the earnings season and an unexpected decline in producer prices. European stocks ended higher, but shares of British luxury firm Burberry fell 7% after a profit warning. China skeptic wins Taiwan elections. Taiwan's Lai Ching-te won the island's presidential election on Saturday. This was the Democratic Progressive Party's third straight win. Lai, who is seen as a strong China skeptic, won by more than 40% of the popular vote. He said he was determined to safeguard Taiwan from threats and intimidation from China. Beijing dismissed his victory. Buffett's view on airlines. Wall Street legend Warren Buffett will most likely never add airline stocks to his portfolio again. The Oracle of Omaha has been swift in unloading $4 billion worth of airline stocks in the pandemic and recently with disappointing profit forecast, more aircraft groundings and mid-air emergencies. He will not give such stocks a chance again. Fourth-quarter earnings have officially begun with four of Wall Street's top six banks reporting rather bleak results. J.P. Morgan Chase, the biggest U.S. bank by assets, paid a sizable fee linked to the government seizures associated with regional banking crisis last March, which impacted its earnings. CEO Jamie Dimon said, "The U.S. economy continues to be resilient, with consumers still spending, and markets currently expect a soft landing." But he added that deficit spending and supply chain adjustments may lead inflation to be stickier and rates to be higher than markets expect.